In this video, we are going to solve a system of equations using our matrix and our augmented matrix. So in question 2 here, we're going to have kind of an interesting situation pop up, but our augmented matrix, that looks like a 12, I don't like that, is going to have a 2, 1, 2, 7 across the top, 2, negative 1, 2, 1, and 5, 1, 5, 13, where again, the farthest right column is the equals whatever constant. Everything on the left is in order X, Y, Z. When I plug this into my calculator, do your second matrix, edit the matrix. I used A in my calculator. Make sure it's a 3x4 matrix. Then we're going to use reduced row echelon form. So you can do RREF, second matrix. You have to scroll over to math and either down or up, whichever, down to RREF, then go back, second matrix A. And you're going to get this matrix right here. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. And this is different. It doesn't really look like reduced row echelon form because normally this one would have been right here instead. What happens is if you get an entire row of zeros, that means you can get one of the original equations by doing a linear combination of one of the other equations themselves. So what this means in this case is there are going to be an infinite number of solutions. And they're going to have a very specific form. Okay. I'm going to have 1 x, 1 y, and 1 z variable still. But since this top one right here is 2, I'm going to have 2 minus z. Then I'm going to have 3 and then also z. So what this really kind of means is I need the x and the z variable, whatever they are, to add up to 2. They can have a 2 and a 0, a 0 and a 2, a 1 and a 1, a 5 and a negative 3. It really does not matter. And the reason why that is because if we look at this first equation and this third equation, y is the same in both of them. Y had to be 3. That worked out. In order to get that top equation to equal 7 and that bottom equation to equal 13, the x and the z basically you could factor out a 5 in that bottom one, a 2 in the top one. You have to add x plus z together at some point. And when you add those two things together, they have to add up to 2. So I'm not going to make you write it like this ordered triple. I would let you write infinitely many solutions. But those infinitely many solutions have a very specific ordered triple format. Have a great day, everybody.